Okay, so this is what you're going to do when changing from a system with Edge Blender and two projectors to just using one Fujifilm Z5000. So first you need to unplug your Edge Blender, and you're going to connect the film projector to this port right here, the broad one. Then you start up your system. Then you go to your desktop. You right click and open NVIDIA control panel. And in this menu right here, you select change resolution. Then we're going to click customize and create custom resolution. Here we're going to write 1920, and in this box we're going to write 720. We click test, then it's going to test that it works. And we're going to click yes. So it should appear. Yes, it appears here. We click it and we click OK. So then we select it in this box and we click apply. And here we click yes. Okay, so now we have changed the resolution. And then we start up our system, our SD2 program. We wait for it to start up. Then we click Control, Alt and A. Then this menu pops up, Advanced Settings. And we go to change in this box so that it says 50. And then we click OK. Now, the last thing we're going to do is adjust the delay of the system for when it takes pictures. So I will pause and come right back.